If you've ever wanted to make your design stand out with a sleek, modern touch, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning gradient lines and frames in Canva, step by step, in just a few minutes. Whether you're working on a presentation, social media post, or digital artwork, this simple trick will instantly make your design look more polished and professional. Let's get started. First, open Canva and head over to the Elements tab on the left panel. This is your creative toolbox, filled with all kinds of shapes, icons, and graphics. In the search bar, type lines. You'll see a variety of line styles appear, from straight and thin to decorative and curved. Pick one that fits your design style and simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. Once it's on your canvas, you can easily adjust the length, thickness, and direction by dragging the corners or edges. Play around until it looks just right. Next, let's add a frame. Go back to the Elements tab, type Frames, and choose one that fits your project, maybe a circle, rectangle, or something more creative. Drag it onto your canvas and resize it to match your layout. Frames are perfect for highlighting images, text, or even creating a stylish border effect. Now, here comes the fun part. Adding gradients. Click on your line or frame to select it, then hit the color icon, the little palette above your canvas. This opens the color menu. Scroll down until you see the gradient section. Gradients are what give your design that beautiful modern color blend, adding depth and a sense of dimension. Choose a gradient that matches your theme, maybe a soft pastel blend for something minimal or bold neon colors for a more vibrant look. You can experiment with different gradient combinations until you find the one that perfectly complements your design. Sometimes even small tweaks can completely transform the mood of your project. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created stylish gradient lines and frames that can make any Canva project look next level. The key to mastering Canva is experimentation. Don't be afraid to try different colors, angles, or layouts. Every time you play around, you'll discover something new and creative. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Canva guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.